am Dr. Vasvi Devi, fertility consultant, GarbhaGudi IVF Center, Kalyan Nagar. During consultation for the couple, if I advise the IVF, all will be having so many doubts or questions. So how the process of IVF will go? Today I will discuss in detail how the process of IVF will start. The IVF will start from the second or third day of the menstrual cycle for the woman after evaluating by scan and by the hormonal test. And the injections will start from second day and it will go for 8 days to the maximum of 12 days. During this period, we'll check by various scans to assess the size of the follicles and we'll do some hormonal tests to assess whether the response is there or not. After the follicles has reached certain size, under anesthesia with the same vaginal scan probe, will insert the needle and aspirate the follicular fluid and check for the quality of the oocytes. To the good quality of oocytes, will inject the husband's sperm and will incubate in the lab for the formation of the embryo. So this is the process of IVF. Thank you.